and on this week's video we're going to take a look at grimdoomer's exploit for the Xbox 360. It's had an update, it's now a version 1.2 and it's lightning fast. So let's take a look at that. Let's go. Right, so here we are. This is the new bad update that I've put into the USB stick here. You're not going to see the lights flashing. You might do, but normally when you've got the other console, the other Slims, you've got 4 lights around there and it just goes absolutely berserk when it does this. So I'm going to run it about 4 times, put it side by side, and then I'll take you over to the computer and let you know how to update your bad update stick. So let's do that now. Ready, steady, go. Now, if you remember, this is the Winchester that I modded and put the LTU board in one of the previous videos. So if you've not seen that video, I want to know how to do it, have a look in the playlist and you should be able to see how to do that. I do know that on the other type of Slims, it is a little bit quicker. We're doing it pretty much instantly on a couple of other consoles that I've just done RGH in them with it. You'll see that in a future video, probably coming out next week for that video. But yeah, we're up to a minute so far, so it's not done it overly quickly, but we still aren't frozen or anything, so that's the good news. All we need to do is just carry on and keep watching that light. So I'll play a bit of music while these tick by for you. There you go. Maybe I won't. So there you go. If I try and scope on that now, you won't be able to see it, but that's showing us a CPU. Oh, and I needed to stop that, didn't I? So I reckon about 1 minute 20 to do that. So that's really good. So let's just do that again. Okay, so I was talking on Discord and a gentleman on there told me about this new bad update, which was done by U-Stroke, the death side, for catching up on this bad update. And what it is it's a payload 3 that is updated that makes this really quickly. So you can either come to this website here, I'll leave all these links in the description for you. Like I said, you can either come to this one here and download the payload, but I do know that Grimdoomer, who developed this in the first place, has now changed it, and it's on the Grimdoomer site. Let's have a look. Where I went bad update. There we go. So if you look now, it's version 1.2. So this update has been included as a payload. So if we download that, we only need that one this time. So bring that down to his desktop, which is here, and we open up WinRAR. Wow, that's a bit blinding, isn't it? So you've got Tony Hawk's there, which tends to do. Rock Band is the easier one. So you've got the Rock Band inside there, the actual game that you need, and the payload is in here. And if you look over this side, I don't know whether you can make this out clearly or not, but these were updated in March. The first stage I think, which will be that one, were updated in March, and this one, stage 3, has been updated on the 6th of August to include it. So basically all you need to do is open up your bad update USB stick that you've been using, and just take that and copy all that straight across into there, and it's going to ask if you want to overwrite them, so just say yes. So that's your bad update done and complete, just to set it up and run it. So I mean, that's absolutely awesome now. So I actually run that, and you saw there on the screen that the quickest one 1 minute 4 seconds, and the longest one was 2 minutes 35 with one failure at 1 minute. That is absolutely awesome. This is the Winchester, the one that I modded and put the LTU board in my previous video. This one, when I first started using the bad update on the first version and version 1, it used to boot up just like that, boom, 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 in about 10-20 seconds, and it were in. And then all of a sudden one day, it just gave up doing that, and it took me all day to try and get it to glitch once. So back then we used to have a 30% success rate. Now with the new update, we've got an 80% success rate, which has changed the game completely. So if you've got Winchesters now that we couldn't RGH, that's just done it while I'm talking. We've glitched again. So that's the 7th time. Won't doing that at all. I think it's only taken about a minute to do that again. So let me just skip past that bit for you, and we can drop it back into there and fire XEX menu up. So it should start now. So yeah, it's lightning speed, and yeah, RGHs are always going to be better than a glitched console. There's no two-way about that, but we can't glitch the Winchesters. And for the modding scene, for us to be able to RGH these now using the bad update, it is the best tool to use at the moment. So we can pretty much glitch it, dump the nands, rewrite the nands, and pop the wires on. There's no more needed of NAND readers, etc. Which I've done a video on that, doing bad update with just 2 wires. So if you've not seen that video, have a look in the playlist, you'll see it there. Also in the description you will find all the links to Grimdoomer, so you can download the version 1.2. You'll find other links down there for the YouTube Retro Repairers. There's Captain Commodore, Josip Retro Bits, and there's Retro for You. They all do some great stuff, so pop along and have a look at their channels as well. So that's it for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate everything. Please hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!